it is black's move. We'll be seeing from black side. We are already seeing that the white king is out from its defense structure here. It is already in the 5th rank in the black's area. So we will start with pretty obvious check, that is rook g8. Here the rook is giving check to the king on g5. After the king moves to h6, the next check is again very obvious, the queen's check on h2. Queen taking the pawn on h2, giving check to the king on h6. The king is already at the edge, at the corner. And here the only way white can guard the king is by moving the rook to h5. And here comes the move where we will remove the defender queen, which is on d3, protecting the g6 square from the rook. Okay, and here we will give a check. We will sacrifice our queen on d2, forcing the white queen to move from d3. This is the guard. The white queen is the guard, which is defending the g6 square. So we are forcing the guard to move from its duty. So forcing the queen to capture the queen on d2, there is no other way that white can defend the game. So then we are doing the checkmate on g6, the final blow to the king, rook g6, and this is checkmate. So this is called deflection. It's a very important tactical element which frequently occurs in the game. Thank you.